In this video, I want to show you how to connect your JBL soundbar to your TV using Bluetooth. So you don't have to connect any cables between the TV and the soundbar. Step number one is to turn on the JBL soundbar. You have a power button over here, or you can do it with the remote, it doesn't matter. Once you see hello, it's turned on. Next, we need to put it in Bluetooth pairing mode. So if you want to do it with the remote, what you need to do is to simply keep press on the Bluetooth button over here, and it will enter Bluetooth pairing mode. If you don't have the remote or you don't want to use it, on the JBL soundbar, you're going to simply click on this button. It's an arrow with a small circle, half of a circle. Tap on the button until you get into Bluetooth mode, which is BT. If it says BT pairing, well, this is great. If it's not saying BT pairing, you need at this point to press this button, keep it pressed until it says BT pairing, as you just saw. Then you can lift your finger. Now it's time to go on the TV. This is an LG TV. It works almost the same with any other brands. You're going to take the remote control. We need to select the settings button. Okay, usually it's a cogwheel. On this LG TV, I will go down and select sound out, Bluetooth devices, and there you have multiple options, TV speakers. In any cases, I'll go down and select device list. On a Samsung TV, it's slightly different. On other brands, it's slightly different, but in the settings, this is where you're going to find the options. And from here, these are the Bluetooth devices already connected with the TV, but down below will appear my JBL soundbar. And this is where I need to select it. It's now currently connecting. Wait a few seconds. And you're going to hear a confirmation sound coming out of the soundbar telling you that it's connected, and you're going to see also connected. So at this point, you can open any TV show and it will work right away. And the good news is every time you turn off your TV using the TV remote control, let me just do it here, the soundbar will go into Bluetooth disconnected. I don't know if you see here, that's what it says. And it will stop displaying the message. It will be like it's turned off, but the soundbar is not turned off because next time you want to use your TV with the soundbar, let me power it on. It will reconnect itself to the soundbar without you having to do anything. You won't have to touch any buttons. So this is about it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.